Well, hey there, everybody. Welcome to the Assateague Explorer Nature Cruise and Kayak Tour. You're going to love seeing these places where the wild horses are galloping freely, dolphins and eagles.
You don't see that all the time. There you go. You don't see that all the time. They're putting on a show for you.
Picture this on your epic vacation, rubbing shoulders with nature's finest. Yes, this is a bucket list for people like you. We hope you like this video. Be sure to subscribe. You are going to love this place. These wild horses have been doing this for centuries. You're going to be telling your grandkids about your vacation here. You're going to love it here. So if you ever find yourself yearning for a glimpse of America's untamed spirit, visit assateagueexplorer.com now and reserve your spots on the tour. You will discover the best parts of the island on the nature cruise and the kayak tour. Bring your family and friends.
Yep, all alone by themselves, out in the wild here.
variations in the color. They got brown, white, tan, and white. Some are all white, some are all brown. There's young colts. Look at that one running, that white colored colt running.
Are you ready for a breathtaking encounter with some of America's most iconic inhabitants? The wild horses of Assateague Island are waiting for you. Let's take a moment to appreciate the nice history of this unique area and the characteristics that make these wild horses such a national treasure. Believe it or not, the ancestors of these wild horses once roamed freely across the plains of North America over 10,000 years ago. Now you can witness these wild horses with your family. They've weathered centuries of change, from Spanish colonization to the expansion of settlements along the eastern seaboard. So reserve your spots now. Visit assateagueexplorer.com assateague.com.